In this video I will show you how to create QR code in Word. So let's get started. First of all, open Word. Here you have to add an add-in, so click on Insert tab at the ribbon. Then here you can see Store or Add-ins. Then click on Store. Now, here search QR for Office. Then hit Enter. Now you can see this add-in. Click on Add to add it. In this case I have already added. Now click on My Add-ins. Then click on it. Now in the right corner you can see this interface. Here you write your text or link you want to encode. Then you can change color, background and size. After this click on Insert, and QR code will create it in Sheet. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.